back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Division have been settled, so all champions have been crowned tonight for the street stocks and the pure stocks. So those names that I mentioned earlier, as the green flag, are already crowned champions, as the 81 of Jesse Murray takes the field to the green. The 97 of Trent Holmes, you'll have the number 34 C of Timmy Simmons. As street stocks make their way around the Speedway, the 81 ride of Jesse Murray got that line right on the bottom side, and he will get his first lap in, and it's going to be a burner, but I have no time for Jesse Murray, so maybe a transponder problem. There it goes. 18,632. Scott Cyrus and Bryce Smith and Keith Herring. Lee Herring still yet going to be the top 5 at this time, but there's only 4 cars out there, so a little bit of scoring and timing situation going on. Checker flag waves as Jesse Murray with an 18,632, and I have no times for anybody else. Give me 1 second. As more street stocks coming out here, Bryce Smith in the number 41 here on the front stretch. I see that number 16 here tonight is Scott Cyrus running without a roof on that car here this afternoon. There's the wagon of the 50 of Keith Herring, the 5 of Lee Herring. As I don't see the 55 of Kyle Bray, maybe he was in the other session, as the green flag waves here for hot laps for the street stocks. So the green flag waves at the 16 of Scott Cyrus. We'll be getting that, hopefully, that green flag or white flag. It looks like yellow flag has come out. As I don't know if that was checkered flag. Not exactly sure. I did not see a checkered flag. Oh, we got the 5 machine spun of Lee Herring off of turn number 2 there. So that's the cause of the yellow. I didn't even see the flagman wave the yellow flag. I was like, why is we slowing down? But, hey, it is what it is. As the number 5 of Lee Herring, going to be able to get that car back around, get it fired up, and we should be back here for more street stock action. So we're going to go green on the 41 of Mr. Bryce Smith, and he will take the green flag, and we're going to be back underway. Still looking for some times on the board here for hot laps for the street stocks. The only times that I have is an 18.6232 at this time. As green flag waves back here for the street stocks once again. So we are having some scoring and timing issues right now. I was just told by race control, as hot laps are about ready to come to close. White flag in the air for the 16 of Scott Cyrus. The 50 of Mr. Keith Herring. As the number 5 of Lee Herring coming to a slow down to the front stretch. The 41 of Bryce Smith will get the checkered flag. So that should do it here for our street stocks here for hot laps. To add more cars to be able to park out here. As you can see, some of the haulers there as well, as our pure stocks are coming out here for some hot laps. Green flag is out for pure stock hot lapping, and we'll see if we get any scoring and timing, and I'll see if I can get any lap times now. As we have a few cars coming out here for their hot lap session. Aiden Mead so far with a 19.388. Matthew Hamilton with a 19.729. You look at Jacob McCormick with a 22.07. You'll have Dakota Johnson with a 23.34. And Mac Ayers with a 23.50. As checkered flag waves here for the first session of hot laps. I believe we got 2 more cars yet to go. American All-Star Series qualifying. You are next. American All-Star Series qualifying. You are next. Come on down. Coming out on Speedway. Got a Scott Bloomquist type of deal going on there with that number 0 machine. Or is that going to be an 08? Not exactly sure from here, but it looks like a 0. Got a number 18 rod coming out as well. That's Caden Cunningham out of Forest, Virginia. As our hot laps here for the pure stocks, again, all championships have been crowned already here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. As a green flag waves. The good old missing data, that's going to be the 11 machine of Robert Tyree out of Lexington, Virginia, as you'll have Marcus Andrews and Caden Cunningham at number 18. Have another driver that's out there without a transponder on that pure stock. White flag waves here for hot laps as missing data, which will be the 11 ride of Robert Tyree out of Lexington, Virginia, going to be third quick overall. Aiden Mead, your quick time at this time with a 19.388. Checkered flag in the air here for the pure stocks. As they're going to missing data with a 19.438 at this time. It's still Aiden Mead, quick time overall for the pure stock division here this afternoon.